Guangdong Bcom Electronics Technology Company Limited is a leading enterprise specializing in video intercom systems and smart home integrated solutions with over a decade of expertise in the industry. Headquartered in Zhuhai City, Guangdong Province, China, the company operates state-of-the-art R&D, production, and sales facilities spanning 4,852 square meters, but are scoring owns commitment to innovation, quality, and global market leadership. Our core competencies, vertical integration, equipped with advanced in-house facilities, including SMT workshops, injection molding workshops, and CNC machining centers, achieves 80% self-manufacturing capability, ensuring stringent quality control and rapid production scalability. Global reach. With a strategic focus on international markets, the company has established partnerships with over 300 clients across 30-plus countries, delivering tailored solutions that meet diverse regional demands. Our strategy. Bcom proudly promotes our own proprietary brand while excelling in OEM, ODM services for renowned global brands, offering collaborative product development and custom manufacturing solutions. Our principle, innovation and excellence. Leveraging cutting-edge technology and a customer-centric approach, the company provides end-to-end smart living solutions from high-performance intercom systems to IoT-enabled home automation. Our dedication to R&D ensures continuous advancements in product reliability, energy efficiency, and user experience. Our mission, to empower global partners and end users with intelligent, secure, and sustainable living environments through innovative technology and unwavering commitment to excellence. To explore more about Bcom Tech, you are welcome to contact us on Alibaba for one-to-one consult service, and we will tailor the video intercom solution for locate market, expecting your collaboration.